Good morning, Early World History. This is Mr. Germain's Credit Recovery Canvas course, and we are talking about the last module listed, which will be the English Civil War. 2 assignments as always. First assignment is going to be focusing in on a reading and a questionnaire. You will be reading about the Stuarts in the Civil War and the English Civil War questions. Make sure that you are clicking on the reading and the question so that you can have the reading to answer the question. You should be pulling from the document. The reading is going to pop up. If you need to, please make sure that you're clicking enabling editing so that way you're able to work in it. You are going to be talking about the House of Stuart, the English Civil War, the Commonwealth era, the Restoration, and the Glorious Revolution. These topics are all going to be used to help respond to questions on a separate sheet for the Word document. Make sure that once you have answered the questions that you save that document to your computer so you can submit it on Canvas. Your second assignment for the English Civil War module is going to be, once again, a document-based questionnaire. So in this case, you are going to be given the charge against King Charles I at his trial, December 1648. You're going to read about this document, and then you're going to respond to the 4 questions that are below. And Mr. Germain is reminding you that a claim is what the author is saying. Evidence is the info from the document. Words and phrases should be actual words or sentences that you are pulling out of the document. And that part where you're talking about what the author left out is what do you know about this time that the author may not have or did not explain. You can always go back to your module for the English Civil War, and if you would like sentence starters, I have attached that for you. Once you have finished this assignment, regardless if you're using the sentence starters or the regular document, please make sure to save it to your computer and then submit. If you are having any issues with submitting, please let Mr. Germain or I know so that way we can better support you. And that is your last week's module for the English Civil War.